Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack for Blue Sky Graphics. The reason why we're here today guys is what I want to do is show you how to realistically create clouds and place clouds and imagery within Adobe Photoshop. Okay, a really simple step-by-step process of how to create it, but as you can see, really realistic. As you can see now, if I was to come through, let me group these layers up here. Like so. Okay, so how do we place clouds realistically on the images within Adobe Photoshop? So what I have here is the original image open up for us, and I'm just going to unlock the layer by coming to the padlock on the layer and clicking it to unlock it. Okay, so now what I would like to do is place my cloud on the image here. So I'm going to go to File, Place Embedded. Here's my cloud. And we're going to go place. Okay, I'm just going to resize this and resize it from the center point by pressing Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows. Okay. So as you can see now, we have our cloud on our image, but it doesn't look realistic. You can see there's a difference between the two backgrounds of the cloud image and the original image. Okay. What I need to do now is add an adjustment layer, and that adjustment layer will be a black and white adjustment layer. Okay. I'm going to come to this little icon here, and what I can do with this little icon is create a clipping mask so that only click to the layer below, i.e. the cloud layer. Okay. What we need to try and do now is manipulate the blues to try and make them as black as we can. So I'm just going to manipulate the blue there, as you can see, really change that to a black color. Okay, so if I now go back to my layers, what I need to do is come back to the cloud layer, and I need to change the blending mode to screen. Okay, and as you can see now, our cloud looks really realistic upon this image. I may increase the scale of it, so I'll do that by pressing the shortcut Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows. And let's resize that to a point now that we're happy. And there you go, guys. That's how you realistically place clouds on imagery within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, us as tutors, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, there are videos and recordings that come out on a weekly basis, ranging from Photoshop all the way through to InDesign. So please take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.